I am a racist. So
It's the fundamental basis of our friendship.
All right, Abhish,
Yes.
your turn to pick a category.
I would like to go for my childhood.
Okay.
Home Alone. And I'm
I
not
thought you want to say Mia Khalifa.
I thought you were going to say, ye to tatti hai.
all of it is my childhood.
All his childhood.
Home Alone, not because of the movie, but it's because how my parents raised me.
Wow. Okay. Minus 22 the parents. Abhish has picked Home Alone.
Bring it on.
Omar
Oh.
Abdullah, current CM and perpetual Big Boss contestant, was under house arrest for nearly 8 months following the revocation of Article 370. Which of the following is an actual meme that he shared after his release? Option A. मैं मादर दूं जो इसमें आया.
यही याद आ रहा
Option B. मैं क्या करूं फिर जॉब छोड़ दूं? Option C.
एक्चुअली ये होगा
ये कार डार्क है, ये तो जिंदगी है. Option D. कोई सेंस है इस बात की? और ऑप्शन E. When you spend 265 days in lockdown and on the day you get out, the government imposes 21-day national lockdown.
Just don't say mother, okay? Just whatever happens, don't say that. Just
Which of these is the meme Omar Abdullah shared on Twitter?
All right. Omar Abdullah.
आई थिंक
That's
इधर
right.
खुद का होगा या फिर वो वाला तो फिर मैं क्या जॉब छोड़ दूं
the Muslim
उसका
Neil Nitin
point ही नहीं
Mukesh.
होता
I think E काफी specific है. I think तो
Which meme did he share, Abhish?
I want to go with meme number B. I'll tell you why. Because I like Abhishek Upmanyu.
All right, plus
Abhishek
10
ne
for
aaya
pandering, but that is the wrong answer. That's the wrong. That's the wrong. No, that's not the meme that he shared. Anybody else want to take a guess?
Was it number E?
That is the right answer. Right answer.
Yes.
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 Omar Abdullah, one of our few parliamentarians with a sense of humor, he shared a meme about himself being stuck. All right, Rohan, I think it's your turn. Your turn
yes,
to pick
yes.
a category. Which category would you go with?
Okay. You know, as another integral aspect of Abhish's childhood, Mia Khalifa.
Thank you.
I would pick Mia Khalifa.
Oh, it was pretty much in my
Yes.
childhood, but that's
Yes. That's right. My favorite actor, missing in action, Khalifa.
Yeah.
Yes.
Is... That's her full name, guys. That is her full name, all right? I am a connoisseur. I know the full name. Yes.
Yes, also found in Japan. Let's go. Rohan has
Also
chosen
an
Mia
architect.
Khalifa. A lot of Mia Bhais are known to reside in the Burj Khalifa. Upon opening in 2010, the Burj Khalifa had trucks queued up every day assigned to collect something very
40.
important. What were the trucks supposed to take away at night?
Influencers.
Let's give you options. Option A, poop. Option B, escorts. Option C, pet camels.
अरे all of them
Option D.
right are
Empty bottles of champagne. Option E, influencers shouting, Habibi, come to the bike.
Oh, wow.
already guessed
Wait. He
Rohan,
was
you can be
one of
one of the
them.
writers
That's all he knows. He was one of the influencers.
No, option F, last option. Your hopes and dreams of ever affording a place there. What did the trucks take away every night?
It's not escorts, because why would they leave? Just as somebody who is a big fan of the BMC, I'm going to say A, poops.
Yes.
Poops.
Why do you think poops had to be taken away?
I
When you
think
go really high, like a lot of people are scared of heights.
Yeah.
Like I would shit myself if I went like at the top of that.
exactly.
I would shit
And I was
myself.
there. Yeah.
That is the right answer, yes! Yes!
congratulations.
Wow.
Thank you.
Very
Thank
good,
you.
good
Thank
logical
you.
deduction. So back in the day when the Burj Khalifa was built, they did not connect it to the city's sewage line. So for the first initial part of the building's construction, they had to have a lot of trucks carrying everyone's poop away. That is how Dubai chocolate came into being. It was right there, guys. It was right. Sorry. Very filthy episode. Let's move on quickly. Let's move on. Apologies, guys. All right. Kaniz, your turn to pick a category.
I would like to pick AIB.
All right. All right. Kaniz Surga has picked AIB. All right. The Aeronautical Institute of Bangladesh is an aviation school established in the year 1990.
मैं मानने को तैयार ही नहीं है कि ऐसा कोई इंस्टीट्यूट है.
आई थिंक मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है लास्ट में भी अगर ऑप्शन रहता तो नहीं है भी बचा रोहन जोशी फिर भी पिक नहीं करता था.
99. What is AIB's crowning achievement? There are 4 options. Option A.
The knockout of Sheikh Hasina.
Got Sheikh Hasina business class tickets while escaping. Option B. Airdrop fake Aadhaar cards to illegal immigrants through paper planes. Option C. Attacking Mannat after Mustafizur was kicked out. Or option D. Only private aviation training institute approved by Civil Aviation Authority of Bangladesh. Which of these is the crowning glory of AIB? Yes.
Casting Kaniz and Abish in all their sketches.
Yes. That's right.
Oh, I really thought there would be a bigger applause there. I don't think they liked us very much.
No, Kaniz, these are kids they've not seen.
They've not,
they've not seen AIB sketches?
No.
How old are you?
That was pity and nostalgia. Now they're like she, bichari, matari.
Wow. Okay, so I would like to pick the answer. Number B, airdrop fake Aadhaar cards to illegal immigrants to paper planes.
That's a good guess. That's a wrong answer.
No,
Very possible
what?
to do in West Bengal, but it's not happening.
Oh, damn it.
Very porous borders there, but that's not the right answer. Anybody else want to take a
I
guess?
need an Aadhaar card.
Well, I know a guy. I know a guy.
Thank you.
Specifically, if you're asking what is AIB's crowning achievement, stun mein.
Oh, and this is why we only had you play the penis. This is why.
So, Abhi's only one of us who can.
दूसरा नोट निकला फाइनल. दामेंश जीत जाएगा.
If you would like to do that, please order from Damensh.com, India's most premium innerwear.
You might find me inside.
What's amazing is this economy has wrecked Abish as the show has gone on. Okay, now we're down to hundreds. 500 to come down to hundreds.
Abhish,
Yes.
you want to take a guess?
No, I didn't understand the question.
Just because
I had that joke which tanked back,
वो
but
लोगों
I...
ने पीटी दिया तो मैं तेरे को री-अटेम्प्ट दे रहा हूँ.
Okay.
What are we calling it?
Tell you.
Sheikh Hasina business. Fuck you. I think it's
I'm going to go with my friend Rohan Joshi's advice and go for B, airdrop fake. No?
वापिस तक लिया आंसर.
D for Dimension. D for Dimension. You'll have to keep it. D for Dimension.
Yes, that's the right answer. Good. Yes.
Thank you.
Let's move on.
All right, staying on topic. Mera number 1.
All right, Abish has picked Mera number 1. Morarji Desai, apart
Classic.
from being a former PM, was also known for enjoying an occasional drink of his number 1. During his tenure, he once accidentally revealed a crucial piece of information to the Pakistani general Zia-ul Haq. What tea did he spill, since he was anyway not drinking it? Option A, batting order of Indian cricket team.
Okay.
Option
I
B,
think so. ऐसे ही कुछ
that
रहेगा.
Dhurandhar 1 was better than Dhurandhar 2. I think so. Option C, that he listens to Pakistani Coke Studio on incognito. Option D, that Indian intelligence knew about Pakistan's nuclear site. And option E, that Rekha और अमिताभ का कुछ चल रहा है. What secret did he spill to General Zia-ul Haq?
I am fairly confident it was about the batting order of the Indian cricket
Yeah.
team, because at that time cricket is a religion and both of the
side.
nations wanted to know who's going to go first, who's going to go last.
Got it.
That's
I'm
right.
confidently telling you that's
It's
the wrong
still a
answer.
religion.
That's the wrong answer. That's a very wrong
I'm
answer.
confidently receiving that information and doubting myself.
Yes. Anybody else wants to take a
I have,
guess?
sorry, just have a quick. What year did this happen in?
Zia-ul Haq.
1985.
What he said. Yes.
1987.
When was Zia-ul Haq?
70s.
Somewhere in the 70s, like
70s.
74,
Oh, okay,
75 or
that
something.
changes my answer.
70s. Yeah. Yeah.
That
In
changes my answer.
1970s, they were like Dhurandhar 2 is better.
Yeah, that changes my answer.
एक दिन एक ऐसा गेम शो आएगा.
This guy. Oh, sorry. I just
joke obliterated her.
I just changed the
I thought
answer.
you were going to go with
I'm
something.
going to go with E because Rekha and Amitabh Bachchan started their affair in the 1970s. Is it open? Is it? Yeah, they started their affair in the 1970s, and this happened in the 1970s. 1970s.
नहीं हाँ, तभी तक अभिषेक आया नहीं रहेगा. मैं वो सोच रहा था. अभिषेक 40 साल का रहेगा था इसके लिए. तो हो सकता है.
हाँ.
हो सकता है.
3,940. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Oh, good guess.
Can
you do my job, Kanis?
Can fact check you on that one.
Yeah, exactly.
Nobody on this stage can fact check you.
I'm going to go with E, sir. E.
Wrong answer, Kanis.
Okay,
that's wrong
that's
answer. That was the wrong answer. Anybody else want to take a
अमिताभ का
guess?
कुछ चल रहा है. Most edited episode ever.
The entire thing is going to be. Kanis chose.
It's an episode of Abish handing over money. It's just that. Nothing else.
Anybody else want to take a guess? What was yes? Yes, Rohan.
I think he secretly listened to Pakistani Coke Studio on
Yes.
incognito.
Everyone
100%
does.
because everybody knows that is why Jaskirat Singh Rangi really went to Pakistan. To get the files and upload them on songs.pk. Because you can call me traitor, there are many things India does better than Pakistan, but Coke Studio, not one of them.
Yes.
Coke,
Facts.
yes.
The drink.
The drink, the drink,
The drink.
the drink. Yes. Yes.
That's the wrong answer, Rohan. That's the wrong answer. Anybody else want to take a guess? Abish, yes.
I mean, it seems like I'm the smartest guy on the panel right now. Because I'm guessing what the audience is also guessing. They're like, you look itne dumb hai. B, that Dhurandhar 1. That Dhurandhar 2. Makes sense. That's the one.
Yes.
Give me.
In my house, we call Gulsimran Khamba Shere Galoch.
यार किसी को नहीं आ रहा है ये सबने हक दिया है सबने हक दिया है द राइट आंसर इज he told
Yes.
Zia-ul Haq that Indian intelligence knew about Pakistan's nuclear weapons. Yes, Kanis.
I just sorry, this is not. But I just want to ask, what do you call a Pakistan? What do you say when a Pakistani does coke? Pakistani, hi.
What? I don't get it. That's what high.
Guys, I just want to say she's trying to catch a ball. She's a cricket
Cricket
enthusiast.
like six. Out.
Yes, that is when Pakistanis cross the line of no control.
We're just trying to get points on us.
Some good comedy happening, huh? Good comedy happening.
Comedy, laugh.
Good comedy.
No, so this is the crazy story. In a telephonic conversation, he revealed details of the raw network in Pakistan to Zia-ul Haq, the neighboring country, then martial law administrator, and told him that the Indian government also knew about Pakistan's secret nuclear bomb-making facility at Kahuta. And so they say that if this
Damn.
fuck-up had not happened, that Pakistan might not have known that we knew about the nuclear program, and things could have been different today.
Don't
So-
drink and diplomacy.
Yeah.
100. But what a conversation was like, क्या रे दिया? Atom split कर रहा है, सुना मैं आजकल.
I just want to say another factual error in the question.
Okay.
Is this that it is highly possible that they also spoke about the cricket team. Because if they are talking about this, then they won't be like nuclear code 555. They will like, Sachin खेल रहा है क्या?
In the 1970s.
Sachin didn't play in 70s. I just look like him, that's
Little
all.
ahead of his time.
Abhish Matthew, hi.
Move on, guys.
It's okay. Your people gave us Sanju Samson, all forgiven. You know why this is awesome? He's now going to go home and Google who is Sanju Samson.
No.
I don't know anything about cricket, but if there is a Malayali on anything, bro, I know this. I know Sanju Samson Malayali. That's why I know
Sanju
cricket.
Samsung नहीं चूतिए. Samsung. Brother of Ravi OnePlus. क्या हो रहा है?
I think one point toward the year.
Sorry, continue.
All right, Joshi, your turn to pick a category.
In honor
4
of
digits
great
में
friend
आना।
Biswa, ये तो टट्टी है.
All right, Rohan has chosen ये तो टट्टी है. Improv comedy.
That's him.
No, Desai, tell us how you really feel.
We had much worse jokes that we removed out of courtesy.
Yeah.
For?
You guys.
Improv comedy is an art form commonly referred to as ये तो टट्टी है by anyone who has the misfortune of watching it live. Proving once again that much like freedom of speech, good art also has limits. Despite this, a handful of companies recently made the news for their unlikely hiring of improv actors for a very specific task. This has
Japanese porn.
For what goddamn reason would a company ever hire losers like improv actors?
Maybe
One
personal attacks
second,
are-
one second, just one moment, 1 second. I'd like to say something. I would like to say something, please. I'd like to say something. I would just like to say
This is the first time
Personally
an
hurt.
improv performer has pushed so many buttons.
I would just like to say this whole show has been improvised thus far by us.
And it doesn't speak well for improv right now. So maybe
We have lowered our standards
Like
for this show.
100%. But no, I mean, there's so many reasons. I mean, Blinkit always needs people. Sorry. Zepto also.
Keep going. Urban Clash.
Yes, Kanis.
To increase sales. To become a better company. To grow and expand internationally and domestically and nationally. To become better at their service, to increase productivity, to increase retention of employees, quarter after quarter, 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 quarter,
Improv. That's what's going on.
And scene.
20 points for Aman.
That's the wrong answer, Kanis. That's the wrong answer. That's the wrong answer.
I think 60 points for her. I
Yeah,
think.
100%. 100%.
60
more.
points, Kanis. This is the most improv has gotten you.
Wow, what a fucking.
This is a very tough one. This is a tough one. Anybody want to take a wild guess? Abhi, want to take a wild guess? There's no options here.
Did they hire them to talk to people?
No, wrong answer.
Because improvisers don't let you talk.
I'm sorry, the one stand-up comedian on this panel.
I also identify as a stand-up comic. And an
Damn.
improviser.
Dal badlu, dal
Damn.
badlu. Dal badlu.
Damn. Apartheid everywhere for you.
One last guess or should we go?
Hitting
Brain
me-
transplants, because they're not really used. So. Is she looking at me?
Yeah, no. She's looking at Kamba and Rohan, the other one.
Okay, cool. No, I can't imagine. I'm sorry, but I cannot think of a reason.
Yeah, to be honest.
Okay, wait, I have a follow-up.
Yes.
Why did AIB hire improvisers?
To be the butt of the joke.
It's like you were sitting outside the office looking sad.
Low budgets.
Yeah.
Low budget.
Oh.
I have the answer.
Getting paid well.
It is AIB. Because you hired Lewis, no?
Should we give him 5 points?
I think we should give. He was almost right.
Yes, he was almost right. Let's give you the answer.
BIA.
Abhi, nahi, 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 nahi. No, you have a good thing going for you.
FBI.
Irritable bowels.
AI.
Oh, FBI to act
Yes.
like a.
Kanis got the right answer,
Yeah.
yes.
Oh. Of course.
What? But we should give Abish also a little bit. He helped.
Let's give
you guys
Kanis
give the
10 and
answer?
Abish 5.
Yes. AI companies want to harvest improv actor skill to train AI on human emotion.
You're
Yes.
welcome.
Yeah.
That's right.
Comedy is
Yeah.
about bringing people together, like I said in the beginning.
Hey, ChatGPT.
Emotion.
I'm going to teach you about failure.
I mean, if I was an improviser like you, Kanis, I'd be so pissed off right now, but
You were in my improv team, the improvisers. Okay, fine.
behind us.
This girl is going to go home and mistreat a camel.
Let's go. All right.
Sorry, can I just do the one joke we cut?
Yes.
On this?
Sure,
we
Rohan.
had a joke which was AI improvisers keep asking, give us a suggestion, give us. Improv people keep saying, give us a suggestion, give us a suggestion.
Hilarious. That's so funny.
Here's a suggestion, get a job. You're supposed to say yes and.
एक ही शो में रोस्ट भी दिया इम्प्रोव भी दिया और स्केच कॉमेडी भी
I'm sorry, I'm really sorry.
No, it's okay.
Are you?
I'm not sorry.
Let's go to the categories. Kanis, your turn to pick.
Okay. I'll go for Barbecue Nation because I ate there once.
Kanis has picked Barbecue Nation. All right. Iran became a barbecue nation.
Damn.
Hey, look, Israel, your favorite.
When Israel and America launched a coordinated attack on 28 Feb 2026, in response, Iran retaliated much like the song Big Prague wrote. Sab kuch mita denge, sare hosh gawa denge. Let us move to the question. Which of the following did not happen as a result of this conflict? Option A, tourists leaving 1-star reviews after a Dubai hotel was attacked. Option B,
Did happen.
Pakistan PM instead of tweeting I condemn, tweeted I condom. Option C, Qatar evacuated 147 show horses. Or option D, US aircraft carrier overflowed with poop. Which of these did not happen in this conflict? Yes, Kanis.
No one on the Epstein files got arrested.
Political.
That's right. That's cutting edge political comedy in India.
Right there. That's right.
That's a good attempt, plus 20 for you, but that's not one of the options. Anybody else want to take a guess?
Will I get how many options will I get? One only, you know? That one. I want to go with option A as a gut thing because tourists leaving 1-star reviews after a Dubai hotel was ransacked, it seems like it seems like something that wouldn't have happened.
So was the US aircraft carrier, were they carrying the poop from the Burj Khalifa?
Yes.
Because then yours makes sense.
It was the USS Khalifa. The USS missing in action Khalifa.
Which it is now. Good guess, but that's the wrong answer, Kanis, and also the wrong answer by you, Abhish. Both of these are wrong answer.
I don't think the Pakistani PM tweeted I condom. Because he would tweet I dickhead. That's different. That's different.
Then I guess I deduced it.
Yes.
Deduction 1. Tourists leaving, you said wrong. Correct? Correct. You said wrong.
Yes.
Then this eye condom thing, you said wrong.
I didn't say that.
All right, that's my answer. Then.
That's crazy.
Yes.
This. Can I just say, that was my favorite episode of Sherlock so far.
Young Sherlock.
Yeah, Sherlock.
No, that was a good deduction. Good deduction, Abhish. Very good. So this happened in the war before, the 10-day war that happened, before these major attacks had happened. So it was a bit of a misdirection for you. All right, whose turn to pick? Is Rohan or Kanis's? Okay, Abhish's turn.
And the last few ones are, Kya choti bachi ho? Hai na? That's the only one, no?
Yeah, that's the only one left.
Let me think. Choti bachi ho kya?
All right, Abhish has picked Choti Bachi Ho Kya. All right, Jeffrey Epstein. Jeffrey Epstein, when not busy planning offsites, regularly dealt with world leaders and businessmen, including Anil Ambani. While chatting over text in 2017, reportedly offered Anil a tall Swedish blonde to make their visit fun, to which Anil responded, "Arrange that." How long did Anil Ambani reportedly take to send this reply? There are no multiple options.
He replied immediately, but Geo took a long time. So he might have delivered a day or a few days later.
So what is your answer?
I would say just because
second.
if you're a business doing business, then you give a 24-hour window to respond.
Got it.
So I'm gonna say ASAP.
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 That's the right answer. Right?
Let's go.
20 seconds. 20 seconds.
20
That's
seconds.
how long I take. Not for the text.
Excellent deduction
Yes,
again by
there. Where
Abhish.
did you?
The Swedish
Karli dunya
doll.
mutti mein.
Yes, Anil being very efficient as always. And with that, we come to the end of round 2. That's the end of round 2, guys.
Well done.
And the best round is yet to come.
Improv, yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
All right, at the end of
you
round
look like
2,
a loser.
what are the scores, Aman?
Abhish is at 395 points.
Wow, nice.
Despite minus 100.
points. Then
Kanis is next at 500 points.
He's like more than
me.
700.
Yeah, he's like 800, I guess.
And Rohan Joshi is at 740 points. Hell yes.
1,000.
Yeah, that I get.
No.
But
he
Kaneez
will
is more
double.
than me. Really?
Okay.
You know, the thing is, she didn't have a jeet in her life. So,
Even then, I think she'd be higher. Even then, there was only 100 points.
Yeah.
All right, are you guys ready to play round 3?
Round 3 is called Who Am I? Where contestants must guess which famous personality we are talking about while being blindfolded. Each contestant will get 5 hints and 3 attempts to make the right guess.
एक AI भी
They can
member
only make 1 guess per hint.
Already gets them.
But here's the twist. Before the blindfolds are put on, each contestant must wager points from their current score. In they win the points they wagered. If they get it wrong, they lose the points. Will they play it safe or will they risk it all? Let's find out.
All right, if
Jara
you're playing with
शांत
us on
रहना।
YouTube, this is the point at which you can flip your phone, cover
acting
your
करके
eyes,
फायदा
wear
भी
blindfold,
नहीं।
whatever,
नहीं,
because we're
पहले
about to
देख लिया,
I
reveal
know.
the person who Rohan has to guess
But मत देख.
now.
क्या मत देख
अरे
देख
but
लिया है
वो
तू।
second round करेगा तो
नहीं वो पहले ही
All
राउंड
right.
करेगा तूने
Clue
पहले
number
ही
1 for
time
Rohan
करेगा।
is,
चलो पहले क्लू
they see me rolling, they hate
हो
it.
गया Game. I'm sure Rohan will guess in like 2 or 3 guess क्योंकि ये वाले से समझ गया
Would you like to guess?
कि इधर स्नूप है
All right, clue number
There's a
2
way.
for Rohan. Battery
Yeah,
life
wheelchair.
is very important.
Yeah. Again, Rohan will take 3, I think, max. Fire alarm.
okay.
Would you like to guess or do you want
I
me to
would
give you?
like a guess.
All right, all right.
I would like a guess. Okay. Is it Stephen Hawking?
मैं बोला Rohan will guess it instead. अरे निकालना नहीं है Rohan पे. The game is done.
Did you get it right? Did you get it right?
Yes, that is the right answer. Holy shit balls.
You know.
Nobody
Wow.
did not. People, it was a tough one. We thought we had written a tough one because people couldn't guess in testing. I will give you the 3 other remaining hints for Rohan since he's guessed it anyway. Clue number 3 for you was मैं कुर्सी नहीं छोड़ता.
ये तो हाँ.
Guess number 4 was marks topper वाले हरकतें backbencher वाली. and clue number 5 for this was idiots think I sell pressure cooker.
अरे वो Hawking रहता.
Upper
And one
radiation.
super easy one was I am the OG physics wala, but then we were like it's too easy.
Oh, that yes.
Anyway, all right. Number 2, I think Kaneez was in second place.
Okay.
All right.
अच्छा
So
नहीं,
number
नहीं,
2, you.
एक कंपनी का नाम है इसके लिए.
वही तो Hawking बोला ना प्रेशर कुकर.
हाँ
हाँ वही तो बोला मैं.
तूने उसका ये बोल रहा था ना
क्या?
जो उसने काम किया उसके बाद.
नहीं नहीं.
अच्छा never.
Might have to get some trucks.
What? I didn't hear,
I should
didn't hear
keep
that.
this blindfold while doing stand-up then.
What do you say?
Is what he
Kaneez, are you
said.
ready to go?
Yes, I am, sir.
Let's
All
go.
right. All right. The person who Kaneez has to guess is this. All right. Clue number 1, Kaneez, for you.
I'm really nervous. I think I did something. Oh no. Okay. Yes.
No, no. It's okay. There is still. You can still win. Don't worry.
Oh, okay.
Not really, but okay. Because depending
Okay.
on how many points Rohan has wagered. So
okay.
let's see.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Okay. Good.
All right. Clue number 1, Kaneez, for you.
Yes, sir.
Everyone asks me, "Mummy कैसी हैं?"
Okay. But अगर ये वो है तो फिर तो गेम है.
Okay.
पहले ही.
Would you like to guess?
उसको पता भी होगा.
No.
All right. Shall I give you clue number 2?
Comedian ही है
Yes, please.
All right. Clue number 2 for me.
पर वो
Hug
नहीं
से
होगा.
single.
I think. बहुत स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड हो जाएगा.
Okay.
ये मोदी जी है
Would you like to
शायद.
guess? No. All right. All right.
हाँ, ये
Clue number
मोदी जी
3
है.
for you.
I mean, I might know, but I don't. I
Mummy
mean,
guess
come
it.
on.
You
हाँ,
have 3
क्यों
guesses, so
गड़ी
if you want to,
मम्मी
or
ने
you
देखा
can
था
wait for the third clue and then try.
Wait for the third, trust
I'm
me.
gonna try for the third,
All
sir.
right. All right. Clue number 3 for Kaneez. Winning isn't everything.
और राहुल गांधी.
ये भी हो सकता है.
Kaneez, you have nothing to lose. You have 3 guesses. You can take a swing if you want now.
Okay. Winning isn't everything.
Yes. Haq se single
Haq
Mummy
se
kaisi
single.
hai?
and mummy
अभी
kaisi.
Is
इसके
it
वजह से,
Zakir
हाँ.
Khan? Shit. Is that a no?
Yeah.
I mean,
That's the wrong
unless
answer,
they
Kanis.
hate you.
Okay.
That's the wrong answer, Kanis.
Can I
Yes.
get clue number 4, please?
All right. Clue number 4 for Kanis. I'm not the life of a party. I'm the death of a party.
But, what does Haq se single mean?
I mean, I'm single,
Single
by
and
right.
proud.
Okay.
Single and proud, or
And
what he said.
Okay, and the fourth one is I'm not the life of the party.
Yeah.
I'm the death of the
Death
party.
of the party.
Oh my God, no clue. I mean, give me one more, but I have no clue.
All right.
I think Pappu पूरी बोलना पड़ेगा फिर
Right,
जाके.
one
I
more.
think then
All right,
also
final
she
clue
might.
for Kanis.
I don't
Oh
know.
my God.
I am the aakhri pasta.
I am
Yeah,
the
हाँ,
Akhri
Italian.
pasta.
happy pasta.
Akhri pasta.
Akri.
Akhri, last.
Last.
The last pasta.
Yes.
Last the pasta.
His sister क्या?
Abhish, do you know what this is?
Yeah, of course. Everybody knows who this is, yeah, come on.
Oh no.
Yeah, it's just you, Kanis, not me.
I have 2 guesses, right?
No, but now you can only choose one.
Huh?
Yeah, because 5 clues you can't stack up 2 guesses together.
Oh, fuck, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
I think we should.
No, we'll try take a guess.
We
No.
can put it to Kanis, he won't get it
If I
anyway.
lose this,
Kanis, you can do 2 guesses. You can do 2 more guesses.
Chal, Kanis,
I
try.
don't have any idea.
Wild swing, wild
Kanis,
swing.
think about it. What are the 3 words you see connecting? Go for it.
Okay, can you just go through all of them again?
Sure. Everyone asked me, "Mummy कैसी हैं?"
Mummy Casey hai.
Haq se single.
Haq se single.
Right. Winning isn't everything.
Winning isn't everything.
That's correct.
Right. I'm not the life of a party. I'm the death of a party.
What are you looking
Jesus Christ.
She's exclaiming, she's figured it out.
Yeah.
The answer is just now coming.
Am I right?
Kanis, is that your answer or like a eureka moment? Jesus.
I said my Jesus Christ.
Okay, good.
For some people, but no.
I'm the
Boom,
Akri,
Jesus Christ, so
Akri
mummy कैसे
pasta. The last pasta. The last
Think about it.
spaghetti.
Kani, you're not giving good advertisement for improv artists right now.
Guys, I'm sorry. I don't know
Not-
what the answer is. I know when I see it, I'm going to be like, oh. But right now, it's like, oh. Modi ji.
Nah, but it's you were close, but not.
You know what? In
I'm
fact,
the same
I am
here.
willing to bet money that is this person's safe word.
Can I take my blindfold off?
He knows the answer.
Wrong answer, Kanis.
I lost. What is the answer? I don't know the answer.
The right answer
Can
is
we
what-
guess?
I know. I can wait. Can I take one
Yeah.
last guess? But I won't
No, you won't get points. You can take a guess. Yeah.
get. Is it Rahul Gandhi?
Yes, that's right.
She sounds like Sonia Gandhi after every election.
अभी तक दोनों most obvious वाली.
All right. And on that
Let's see, Abhish.
highly
I
emotional
think
note,
Abhish को काफी difficult था रोना.
it is now turn for our final guesser, Mr. Abhish Matthew. Abhish, the person you have to guess is this.
देखिए reaction से ही लग रहा है. Hard.
All right. Clue number 1 for Abhish. My speeches bring all the boys to the yard.
Okay, hit me with the second
Okay.
clue. My speeches bring all the boys to the yard.
All right.
Yogi.
Clue number 2 for Abhish. To my critics, I say, mat kar lala.
This boy, so now you given 2.
Yes.
So I can guess one.
Yeah, you
because
can guess one, huh?
Because I have.
Yes,
per
yes,
cue.
you
Okay.
have 3. Yeah, correct.
So my speeches bring all the boys to the yard. And the second one was
To my critics, I say, mat kar lala.
Mat kar lala. So he speaks in Hindi. Okay. Can I? Is it like Elon Musk?
Yes, proficient Hindi speaker Elon Musk. This is the wrong answer, Abhish. All right,
I
clue
need
number
another.
3 for Abhish. Are you ready to go?
Yeah.
All right. Clue number 3 for Abhish. I blame all my failures on past leaders.
यार ये तो बहुत अभी का गवर्नमेंट
I get all the boys to the yard when I'm speaking. Here, if critics are criticizing me, I say "mat kar lala," and
You want clue number 4?
Yeah.
All right, clue number 4. I have a very passionate fan base.
दिस कैन बी
ये तो
एनी
बस्ती भी हो
पॉलिटिकल
सकता है.
Taken wrong answer. Wrong answer.
Oh,
Not Basti.
shit, okay.
Wrong answer. Not
This
Basti.
is the last one.
Yes, last clue for Abhish
Last.
Matthew. All right. I despise liberals and intellectuals.
ये कुछ. I feel like it's either too on the nose, or the nose is somewhere really far. I can't see. Okay, one last time. Audience, just tell me the clues. Go. 1.
अरे improv show थोड़ी है. Audience, just tell me the clue. Audience, guess करना है. Guess करने
We
की.
aren't listening.
Can I get like 5 clues from the audience? We got
नहीं मैं बताता हूँ भाई मैं बताता हूँ. इनको writing pressure मत दे. Okay, मैं last time. My speeches bring all the boys to the yard. To my critics, I say mat kar lala. I blame my failures on past leaders. I have a very passionate fan base, and I despise liberals and intellectuals. What is the answer, Abhish
Damn.
Matthew?
Donald Trump.
It can be anyone. Donald Trump and
Wrong answer. The right answer is Adolf Hitler.
मैं मेरा जितना भी गैसेस था ब्लीप कर दे रहा हूँ.
Take it off, Abhish. Abhish, take it off. शर्म मत आओ. Take it
Abhish,
off.
take it off. Take it off.
मत कर लाला मेरे को like
It made no sense because
काफी different.
अबे बोल मैं. Blindfold, भाई blindfold. All right, guys. On that note, let us reveal that is your camera. How many points did you wager? Let's start with Abhish Matthew. Abhish.
When you're losing
Yeah.
and if you're addicted to gambling, you go all in.
all it.
Making Abhish's point tally 0 points.
I think
Abhish
biggest
Matthew
difference आने वाला.
lost everything for the second time. Congratulations.
I believe what you mean is he's consistent.
On that note, Kanish Surka, how many points did you wager?
When you, what did you say? When you're loser, because you do improv, you go all in.
Making
no.
Kanish's score also 0. What an appropriate representation of improv on this show. Both people ending on
And the real
absolute 0.
comedian. Let's go.
This is a dream come true for Rohan Desai and me. Love it.
I think 270.
What 270? 1,000.
Just checking.
You might have wagered 270 points.
Good.
It's
like-
okay.
or
I will
500.
drop you both home today.
And
Thank you.
Rohan Joshi, how many
I think
points
might
did you
have gone
wager?
all in.
250
How does it
points I
matter?
wagered.
No.
He could have lost.
Clearly, the winner. How many is the total points, Aman?
990 points.
990.
He could have 1,000 plus.
Beautifully played.
That means if Kanish got it right, she could have won.
Making Rohan the winner.
Oh my God.
No, I don't think so. He must
Oh
have
my
the
God.
calculator.
Congratulations,
she would
Rohan.
have gotten
You've won some vintage AIB merch with special
guess
features
finder tha.
like fabrics
Finder.
softer than public sentiments, material that stretches longer than court cases, and a strong stitch that can survive any jail time.
And that's it for this episode of The Nation Wants to Guess. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you go to Dimension.com and check out innerwear for yourself, the most comfortable innerwear for men. Thank you very much. You've been a lovely audience. Appreciate you guys.
Oh. Another sketch. Let's go.
बधाई. मोटिवेशन जो है ना हमेशा वर्क करती है.
मोटिवेट. तो सर 2.5 BHK पक्का?
दिल से पक्का. 2.5 BHK 1000 स्क्वायर फीट कारपेट एरिया. बिल्टअप नहीं, कारपेट with 1 covered parking.
विदार में.
2600
दिल के पास
24 to 3 water.
Nice.
शहर से थोड़ा दूर
देखा मैं बोला किधर तो दूर से।
अबे यार सीजन 2 करना ही पड़ेगा.
अच्छा नेवर ऑर्डर इसमें लिखा था। ये प्रिंस इसमें ये एपिसोड में भी था, देखा क्या इसको कितने
कौन है
ये या मतलब लास्ट एपिसोड में था, उसके प्रीवियस एपिसोड में था, मतलब ये था मतलब देखने आया था।
अच्छा ओके.
ये भी ट्रू है, हर बार तो उसको देखे ना उसकी वाइफ को समझाता रहता जो प्रोड्यूसर को दिखाओ आएगा मेरे को देखना है प्रोड्यूसर में नाम आता है किसका, इसकी वाइफ का। अच्छा अरे ओजे ये काफी अच्छा एपिसोड है, मेरा बहुत फेवरेट। कौन है क्या अपना काफी सीनियर कॉमिक है, नाम A very good episode. वो I saw it too. ये वही प्रिंस का बात कर रहा है। ये नहीं होएगा ऐसा, लिखो ही मत तुम लोग यार। ये देख
I guess they should have added.
भाई कसम से, इसलिए मेरे को तो लग रहा है मेरे को निकालना पड़ेगा अपने को सेफ रखने के लिए।
नहीं लेकिन
भाई वो एक भी एडोल्फ हिटलर का लग ही नहीं रहा था, मतलब कुछ भी ऑन द नोज नहीं था।
मेरे को भी ऐसा था कि राहुल गांधी के बाद इमीडिएटली नेक्स्ट नहीं करेगा, तो फिर इसलिए मैं सोच भी नहीं रहा था वैसे।
अरे बट तू और कौन किसको कैसे
नहीं, मेरे को था ही नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं था माइंड में कौन हो
तू वही बोल रहा हूँ, कोई भी तू लीडर पे डाल सकता था वो।
हाँ.
अगर तू एडोल्फ हिटलर का बात कर रहा तो कुछ तो तू उसके एकदम स्पेसिफिक चीज बोलेगा उसके बारे में, तो ऐसा कोई था ही नहीं। जैसे कोई ना कोई ऐसा हिंट तो होता है उसके मस्टैच के बारे में, या फिर वो आर्यन रेस के बारे में, ऐसा कुछ तो,
या कंट्री के बारे में भी कुछ।
हाँ जर्मन चीज कुछ तो, या उसका क्या था और एक
ज्यूइश ऐसा कुछ।
हाँ बराबर, ये कैंप्स के बारे में कुछ तो।
बॉयज टू द यार्ड तो आई गेस मेक्स काइंड ऑफ सेंस, बट तो वो किसी पे कोई भी लीडर जो रैलीज करता है और ये करता है उस पर डाल सकता है। रोहन सिंपिंग इज क्रेजी इन द कमेंट्स, टू बी ऑनेस्ट। रोहन ने काफी कैरी किया है, लाइक ही ऑलवेज डज एपिसोड। हाँ, अगर रोहन नहीं रहता तो ये काफी क्रिंज एपिसोड भी हो सकता है।
नहीं डेफिनेटली, क्योंकि देख दे आर नॉट, आई मीन दे आर गुड कॉमेडियंस, कनीज और अभिष, बट दूसरा जो भी कॉमेडियंस उसके साथ है तभी यू कैन सी लेवल्स।
What funny भी थे उन लोग, but sometimes it was cringe, but I think that's what their comedy is about.
Yeah, crazy, very funny episode, and
good end.
I wish another AIB member could have also joined. I think would have been fun अगर कोई एक और जन आ जाता तो काफी.
यूजुअली है ना, हमेशा जब भी केवी का ये होता था ना फाइनल, जब तक मैंने देखा है तभी हमेशा यूजुअली 3 लोग फाइनल्स में होते ही थे. ये रोहन, आशीष और कनन भी होता रहा मोस्टली. उन लोग सब काफी वेल रेड है और ये तो अगर वो वाला भी पैनल होता था ना, तीनों टॉप टियर है वो, या फिर अभिषेक उपमन्यु भी कोई डाल देता था, क्रेजी पैनल होगा. पर वो 3 ऐसे बड़े कॉमेडियंस का टाइमिंग बुक करना बहुत मुश्किल होता होगा एक साथ में. इन लोग फ्रेंड्स है तो इन लोग से मतलब फटाफट करा दिया रहेगा उन लोग को. नॉनदलेस a very fun show. Yeah, soon hopefully जल्दी आए सीजन 2 भी. वो होपफुली ऐसा हो, अभी लेटेंट का सीजन तो खत्म हो फिर ये आए. So we always have something to react to.
I think 6-7 months का तो ब्रेक हो गई.
I guess, I don't know, उन लोग पे अभी जब भी उनका पैसा खत्म हो जाएगा ये सीजन से तभी. बट आई थिंक ये तो बनाते ही रहेगा क्योंकि यूट्यूब का वही अच्छी बात है कि इट्स देयर, तो अभी नए ऑडियंस ढूंढते रहेंगे, मिलते रहेगा. पर फॉर फर्स्ट टाइम फर्स्ट 2 जो पार्ट्स है लाइक सेक्शंस ऑफ द शो more better than the last section. Usually last favorite था होता है मेरा. बट
इस टाइम हम लोग इसमें ये भी हो गया कि फर्स्ट वाला दिख गया हम लोग.
फर्स्ट वाला नहीं भी दिखता तो भी इतना क्विक हो गया ना वो कि मालूम ही पड़ जाता ऐसे भी.
और सेकंड वाला काफी इजी था. एंड थर्ड वाला तो मतलब था ही नहीं. मतलब आई थिंक they could have done better थर्ड वाले क्रूज.
Let us know कितने लोग ने गेस किया था for the third one in the comments below. Already a long video. So yeah, this was actually ये segment एक ऐसे अलग से भी रहता था ना सिर्फ improv का, तो भी वो एक वो वीडियो इतना फनी रहता था. दिख रहा था कनिष्क को अंदर से बहुत इरिटेट हो रहा है. इम्प्रोव को ऐसे भी काइंड एक थोड़े दिन पहले भी मैं एक पॉडकास्ट देख रहा था जिधर वो बोल रहा था एक इंसान का कौन सा आई डोंट रिमेम्बर कौन सा देख रहा था मैं पॉडकास्ट, बट वो भी बोल रहा था इम्प्रोव के लिए चार्ज नहीं करना चाहिए ऑडियंस को. बेचारे लोग वो मतलब उन लोग उसके इम्प्रोव किसी का तो टूर करता था तो उसके बारे में उससे बात कर रहे थे, वो उसके बारे में नहीं करते बात. वो छोड़, मेरे को अभी बुरा लगता है कि हम लोग चार्ज करते थे लोग को वो देखने के लिए. आई थिंक कैनी बोल रहा था.
कौन
कैनी? सेबेस्टियन. और कौन? उसमें उन लोग ही करते थे एक्चुअली. कैनी, कनन, कनीज और आई थिंक अभिष.
रियली? हाँ. अवेलेबल है क्या सब? नहीं,
उन लोग लाइव शोज कर रहे हैं. सोच तो वो इंसान जो कर रहा है वो खुद ही बोल रहा है कैरी इट्स नॉट वर्थ इट.
कभी लाइक 15 इयर्स गो 12
हाँ, मतलब स्टार्टिंग में जब भी स्टार्टेड. और उन लोग आई थिंक करते थे ये भी लाइक प्रॉपर स्टैंड अप ऑन द साइड, बट ये टूरिंग. लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब, लव ऑल द वे फॉर all the panelists and also Kamba's show. And big props to Kamba, Rohan Desai and Aman. Yeah, great show.
But yeah, if you guys enjoy this, अगर आप लोगों को और पहले वाले एपिसोड्स पे भी देखना तो हमने आई थिंक एक पे रिएक्ट किया है पहले.
एक या दो पे किया है. तो वो भी चेकआउट कर लेना. आई थिंक वीडियो के एंड में अभी आ जाएगा.
Right here. Yes, and yeah, again, thanks for watching, guys. Thank you, brothers.
Take care, sisters. Bye.